Let's take a quick look at the quick shot modes, guys, because this is one of the reasons that I even bought this drone, was for these quick shot modes. So we're going to take a look quickly here. This first mode is called Rocket, and what this does is it centers on a subject and then it basically just pulls straight up. Pretty cool effect. The next one that I want to show you is the pull away, and this one is basically the rocket, plus it also flies away from the subject, so it pulls up and away. And then the next one is called Circle, and it does just what you think it would do. It just flies in a circle, and you can set how far the circle is, you can set your altitude, so you do have options there. This next one's fun. It's called Spiral. It's basically a combination of all the other modes together. So it pulls up, it pulls away, it does a circle all at the same time, which is a pretty cool effect. And then the last one here is called Boomerang, and it does exactly what basically it says. It's like a boomerang, so it flies away and then it whips back around. So that's pretty fun, guys. Let's take a look at the follow me modes real quick. So that's my wife down on the ground there. She insisted that the drone follow her. She's kind of funny that way. And you can see as she picks up speed, the drone compensates nicely. It adjusts the angle of the lens and it picks up speed to follow. And then I told her to get in the car because I wanted to see how it would track objects, not just people. And here you can see it's following the car pretty nicely, guys. It actually does a pretty good job. All right.